Hey everyone, this morning we're looking at Julia's Kia. Loaded the boot up full of gear, went to shut it, caught on something, didn't quite close all the way. Of course leaned on it with the two hands, and then we have these two big hits. We'll start with some glue pulling to move the bulk of the metal, finish it up with a tool, make sure it's all perfect. So I'm just getting started on the Kia tailgate here, and knowing that the dents were caused by two hands pushing on the back of the tailgate like this, I thought there's a good chance that we can just reverse the damage by giving it that same force from the back. So I've pushed on the back of this smaller one here. Some of the dents moved, you'll see what's left in it there. This larger dent there, however, is still locked pretty tight in place. So I'm going to start with a little bit of glue pulling, but rather than just stick a tab in the middle and try and pull that dent out, I'm going to use what's called lateral tension pulling, where we stick two glue tabs here, either side of the dent, and then we can use a tension rod between the two tabs. That's going to pull along the length of the panel there. So that will move a lot of that metal for us, really get that panel starting to open back up, take all that tension out of the panel. Now a nice gentle pull with this centipede tab in the middle of the dent should move the bulk of that really nice and cleanly. This looks a little bit like a mess, but it's strong. All of the strength is back into that. It's not going to pop in and out. None of these imperfections that are left in it are very serious. They will all repair very quickly, very easily, now that the tension in the panel is right. That's the key part on these bigger hits. Once you've got the tension in the panel right, things just want to fall into place. One by one, I'll pick each individual low out, start to push some of those up. Thank you everyone for watching. Julia was thrilled to get her car back. Very happy with the results we're able to get in it. Obviously able to save her a bit of money as well, which is always a bonus. If you guys have any questions around what you're seeing today, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I'll be sure to check them out and answer anything that I can. Thanks again for watching. Keep an eye out in the future on getting to do a few more of these and having a bit of fun as we go along. We'll see you on the next one.